day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market BIOTECH edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking. Super cringy, guys. I get it. Super cringy. Today we'll be discussing a ticker symbol that goes by BBI, BRICKELL BIOTECH Incorporated. We actually made a video about this recently. We're just going to give a really quick update for those of you who have invested in this, who did not take this as financial advice, of course, but of course you did your research and then you invested. Welcome, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. We speak very weird over here, so if you can put up with that, we'd love for you to join us. Of course, leave a comment and an appropriate thumb. So the YouTube algorithm, if I said that right, can pick up on the channel, guys. It's growing steadily, and we appreciate your help with that. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts here to see what we have. I'm going to pull up the lines that we've already shown you guys on the previous video, so let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's February the 5th, 2021, and the current price of the stock is going to be $1.20. It's up approximately 0.8% for the day. Okay. All right, so let's go and reveal the lines here that we have. That's it. Same lines, guys. The overhead, our infamous lines, yellow, green, and red line. It's just below the critical level. So I wouldn't say the stock is in danger, but it definitely needs to get above this red line for those of you just stopping in. It's at $2.44, like $2.44. But remember, this is the box that I was saying that if it stayed within or above this line, everything is just fine. So I'm not sure if you guys are like getting nervous out there as far as the call that we made. We made a pretty extreme target on this. I think it was like 500% or something like that. I'm not sure, guys. Remember, when we make these predictions as far as a percentage, I mean, they're very extreme. I get it. But they're not going to happen overnight. You definitely have to be patient. As long as the stock doesn't go to zero, I'm okay with taking a thumbs down for saying that. But as long as it doesn't go to zero, it will likely test or exceed the levels that we come out with. None of these numbers that we come out with are ever random, guys. It's strategic, technical data only. No news, no nothing. I just stick to my charts, and that's it, guys. So let's go ahead and go over the range for those of you who didn't check out the previous video. Hopefully, we left a link somewhere. It's $1.10. As long as you see how it's continuing to wick below that level, that's fine. If it gets below $1.10, it's okay. As long as we have weekly candles to close above $1.10, it's just fine. Now, again, be prepared. Do not overexpose yourself. Hang on, let me explain this. Guys, execute your strategy. That means have an entry. That means have an exit. That means have a stop loss. Where you're going to take your profits. If listening to a weirdo on YouTube is incorrect and the market goes against you, know where you're going to have that stuff are predetermined before you hit that buy button. Let's continue. So let's just say that the price wants to get a little bit more of a retracement all the way down to this lower range down here in this rectangular box. We already discussed this, but it is 75 cents for those of you who are just stopping in. It's a reasonable range just below the price. I do think that there's a lot of buying strength within this range. So as long as they're consolidating, or if this level is being protected, one or the other, it's likely the price will continue to the upside. And at the very least, just continue to go sideways in preparation for the next move, which I'm going to speculatively say is going to go to the upside. Now, to be totally transparent with you all, I'm no longer invested in this stock. I may re-enter. I'm not sure. We're having a little liquidity issues in the account, but we're trying to just kind of spread everything out. We're dealing with some options. That's irrelevant. The price level overhead at the red line is going to be at approximately $2.44. I think we went over that. Really quick measurement for those of you stopping in here. This is just an update, guys. 106% to the upside. So I want to see why it would be not a practical play to ride it up to that level. Take 100% of your money out of the market, or at least ride it up to that level and take out your initial investment, and whatever happens, maybe we'll get that 555% to the upside move. I think I said on our previous video. So that's all what I have for you guys. This is the update. Everything looks fine to me. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Is everything okay as far as the range that we said? I mean, the price is just kind of hanging out there, right? It's in preparation to make its next move. Just be patient. This is going to be a patience game, because if it's going to have that extreme move that I'm anticipating to the upside, I mean, that's a lot of energy, guys. Let's see. Let's just do it really quick, because I think it was 550. I didn't even check before I got on the video, guys. So unprofessional. Pardon me there. Let's just say it was like I think it was like $5, like $5.63. It's like a 370-something% move to the upside. So it's like $5.63. Check the video it has all the actual information in, because obviously I don't have my stuff together to know where the price is on this. But I really did just wanted to stop and give you guys an update as far as where the price action is kind of hanging above this box here. Everything looks perfectly fine to me, guys. So like I said, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. It is Napoleon Macro. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. If you're new, very unprofessional if you haven't noticed that already, but we also go over the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. So if you're into that, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. All right, so that's pretty much it. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategy before you hit that buy button. Do not step on that exchange and hit that buy button before you understand what you're getting yourself into. I'm gonna cut it out here, guys. Take care of yourselves, and we'll talk soon.